Our mission at General Motors, we talk about it as 000. And what that means is we're focused on developing products and processes. They enable zero collisions and zero congestion and zero emissions. And so at this plant here, this Bright Drop commercial electric vehicle, it's a really good example of that migration towards 000. We've taken a lot of our safety technology out of the passenger vehicle line and brought it to this commercial vehicle, and that really differentiates us in the market. We're aiming to have a neutral carbon footprint in our manufacturing processes and in our products by 2040. We have lanes of kind of roles, responsibilities, goals, and objectives. We call it SPQRCE. So that's safety, people, quality, responsiveness, cost, and environment. As far as our plant here, I really want to kind of use technology and the input from our team to continue to, be a greener manufacturer. I've adopted EV driving myself. I'm encouraging my family to do it. I want to continue to advocate in the community. Our responsibilities are to be caretakers of the property that we're kind of borrowing from the community and the people around us. We have an area that we're working on reforesting. We've planted over 12,000 trees and bushes in that area. We participate in classroom to teach and educate about our EV journey, our environmental responsibilities. Just recently, we had a group of high school students. They wanted to compete in a nationwide electric go-kart competition. They joined us here. We have a 3D printing lab. We helped them prototype and develop some of the parts for the go-kart. And then we gave them some opportunity to learn about our battery plant and our EV experience. I like to be on the leading edge of a change. I'd like this site to be considered an innovator and an influence in the community. I like doing business here in Ingersoll. This plant has been here for around 30 years, and it has grown up as a family plant. So we are a community of people inside our four walls. It's a great place to come to work every day.